Hey guys, this is a mini craft that I did that I wanted to share with you guys. So this is what you're going to need. Everything was purchased at the 99-cent store. The only thing that would be missing would be glue if you need it. But other than that, you just need scissors. You need the mesh, I think it's called. That reef I got at the 99-cent store. Those I had in my stash, but you can find them at the 99-cent store. And yeah, so right here I'm working on the floor because I needed a bigger space. So basically what I did here was just cut all the pieces into about, I would say, well, I didn't measure them, but basically what I did is I let them roll a complete roll, and then I cut them as you can see there. They're all the same size. Another trick that I did was just wrap them around my hand. Open up my fingers, wrap it around my hand, and then once I have it like that, then I'll go ahead and cut each of the side. And then for the little metal tubies, I forgot what they're called. I just folded them in half and I just cut them with the scissors. So as you can see here, I have all of my material already cut. I have it in green. Okay, and here is a sample of how they look. I'll bind it together. I just twisted them a couple of times, and I'm going to put them in between, not on the edge, but in between the reef. And it's a perfect size. When you just cut them in half, you have enough that it will go around the center. As you can see me here, this is what I'm doing. I'm putting it in between both, and then I'm just twisting it. Twist it a couple of times, and it's really sturdy. It gets really tight. The more you turn it, the tighter it gets. So that's what I'm doing here, and that's how you're gonna end up applying them. Okay, and then you're gonna go ahead and do that all throughout the reef. Here I'm showing you one more time. Just go ahead and open the pipe cleaners, I think that's what they're called, or the little pipes, and then make sure you wrap it around both, between both of the middle lines, and then just twist it around. And that's how you're gonna go all along your reef. You're gonna keep doing the same thing. I did alternate the colors. None of the colors are the same. So that's what makes it look a little bit different. You can do all the colors one certain way, but I just liked it better when I just changed the colors. And then that's how it's going to be looking behind. If you do want to cover that, you would be able to put some kind of foam in there. I just left it like that because it's going to be on my door, so nobody's going to see behind, since I have a screen door. But once you fill it up, it should be looking like this. And then this is a little witch. I tried putting it in the front because I wanted to put a broom, but it would cover the whole reef. I tried doing the bowl, but the bowl was too big. I didn't like how it looked, so I decided against it. But at the end, I'll go ahead and show you pictures of how I ended up putting her together. And I didn't use the broom either, but I think she came out really cute. You could even, instead of the witch, you can put in a sign, trick or treat, or a ghost. Any other object that has to do with Halloween, you would be able to put it in the center, and it would look really, really nice. You can even add some sparkling lights on there. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you guys give it a try, make sure to tag me so I can go ahead and take a look, and I'll talk to you guys later.